Uh, Welcome to my YouTube channel. Research short video type of purposive sampling is the topic of for today video. During our last video, we already talk about the purposive sampling. Uh, the different type of purposive sampling. If we talk about the different type, there are total 8 type I consider for discussion today. Maybe you find more than 8 as well, but yes, these are the popular 8 categories generally we find in purposive or different judgmental sampling. uh, First of all, we talk about the stakeholder sampling, particularly useful in the context of evaluation of research and policy. Whenever we are doing research on our policy analysis, so obviously we just focus on that individual data, the stakeholder of a particular policy. So in this case, we just taken purposive sampling only the stakeholder of that particular policy. So second is the typical case sampling. Sometimes researchers are interested in case simply because they are not unusual in any way. So we are not going on extreme side, we are just focusing on the normal typical example of, suppose we are talking about typical teacher, typical student, typical parents. So these are the examples generally we find is in our sampling. So typical cases is considered as only the usual cases that is more typical in our society. And third one is the paradigmatic cases. So paradigmatic cases, when we consider the exemplar only. Exemplar only means this is the only difference. Typical cases is the normal or average persons, but exemplar cases is the individual or sample that is considered. Suppose most of the time parents mention that you just see the children of your शर्मा जी के बच्चों को देखो कितना अच्छे से पढ़ते हैं. So these are the exemplar type of sample. So these are the paradigmatic cases. Okay. Fourth one is the criterion. This involves the searching of cases individual who meet the criteria. So being as a researcher, we decide some criteria, or on the basis of these criteria, we just try to identify an individual for our sample. And fifth one is the maximum variation. So in case of maximum variation, our major purpose to cover the spectrum of our entire phenomena, we just want to cover the maximum spectrum of our particular phenomena for study. So in this case, we just include the both extreme and typical cases. We just club both the technique to assess the individuals for this type of sampling. And sixth one is the theory guided. Obviously, being as a researcher, we just want to follow a more deductive approach to test our theory. So obviously, we just follow the theory, or in this case, we just follow the individual that are embedded in theoretical construct. And seventh one is the critical case sample. So in this case, we just make an individual that is in a decisive cases. So that is helpful in making our decision. So in this case, we take the person or individual that identified by an expert as being particularly useful because of the generalization is to allow. So in this case, we just focus on critical cases. And just confronting or negative, obviously, whenever we just fail on a particular area or particular situation, so we just try to revisit our reason of failure. So these type of strategy, with this strategy, researchers look to extend his or her analysis by looking the for cases that will disconfirm कि why we fail, हम अब तक क्यों इतनी बार से ओलंपिक में मेडल नहीं जीत पाए. तो now we just focus on that cases that are have negative case example. So we just try to find the reason of that failure. So we just want to learn from our previous failures. So these are called negative or disconfirming case sampling. If you are interested, so you just go with this researches, or both of the researches use the different type of purposive sampling. So in this research, they use the stock stakeholder sampling, or in this second research, they use the typical case sampling. So thank you so much for watching my video, and sorry for inconvenience. I am not able to upload a last 3 or 4 days videos because of my busyness, but I try my best to upload within a time. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe. If you have any doubt, so you can just comment on video. Thank you.